Mahadev. You are the source of life and all. You even reside inside of Peru, Mahadev.